If you're serious about diagnosing and fixing cars, a basic OBD scanner just won't cut it anymore. Today we're reviewing the TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2 Diagnostic Scanner, a professional-grade bidirectional scan tool packed with advanced features like ECU coding, topology mapping, CAN-FD support, and over 40 service functions. It's designed for mechanics, workshops, and even advanced DIYers. But is it really worth the investment? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the Phoenix Plus 2 feels like a premium tool. It comes with a rugged tablet-style design, built to handle workshop environments. The large touchscreen is bright and responsive, making it easy to navigate through menus and data. It also includes a sturdy casing and quality connectors, which is important for daily professional use. Overall, it looks and feels like a tool made for serious automotive work. This is where the scanner really shines. It offers full system diagnostics, meaning it can access and scan every major module in your vehicle, engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more. The performance is fast and reliable, providing real-time data, fault codes, and live readings. Whether you're diagnosing a simple issue or troubleshooting complex problems, it gives you deep insight into your vehicle. One of the most powerful features is bidirectional control, also known as active testing. This allows you to send commands to your vehicle to test components directly. For example, you can activate fuel pumps, test fans, or control actuators to pinpoint issues quickly. This is a feature usually found in high-end scanners, and it makes diagnostics much more efficient. The Phoenix Plus 2 also supports ECU coding, which lets you modify or program certain vehicle settings. This is especially useful for advanced users and professionals working on modern vehicles. It also includes 42+ service functions, such as oil reset, brake reset, battery registration, and more. These features make it a complete tool for maintenance and repair tasks. A standout feature is the topology map, which visually displays all the systems in your vehicle and shows how they are connected. This makes it much easier to identify issues across different modules. It also supports CAN-FD protocol, which is required for newer vehicles, especially modern GM and other brands. This ensures the tool stays compatible with the latest cars. The scanner includes FCA-SGW Auto-Auth, allowing access to secure gateways in vehicles like Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge without needing extra tools. It also supports VAG-guided functions, which is great for Volkswagen, Audi, and related brands, providing step-by-step instructions for certain procedures. Another big advantage is the 2 years of free software updates, which keeps the tool up to date with new vehicles and features. The interface is user-friendly, and updates are easy to install, making it convenient for both professionals and DIY users. In real-world use, the Phoenix Plus 2 is ideal for auto repair shops, mobile mechanics, and advanced car enthusiasts. It saves time, improves accuracy, and reduces the need for multiple tools. For DIYers, it might be more advanced than necessary, but for serious users, it's a powerful investment. Overall, the TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2 is a high-performance diagnostic tool that delivers professional-level features without going into ultra-expensive territory. If you're a mechanic or serious DIYer looking for a powerful, future-proof diagnostic scanner, this is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you use a pro-level scanner like this or stick with basic tools?